Hello and welcome back to another WordPress development tutorial, and in this one we're going to set up the footer, properly set up the footer. As before, we're not really doing any styling, we're just setting up the required functions and hooks that we need within WordPress to make our theme work properly. So first thing I want to do is I want to put the proper footer tags in here for HTML5, so we'll do that. Alright, so here's our footer. This is where the content's going to go, so we'll put put an H3 tag in here. And this is just going to be a placeholder for our footer content. Alright, now here we have one just separate this. We have one required hook. It's a built-in WordPress function that we need to include right above the body tag. Alright, and this is called WP_footer, and this gives WordPress its proper JavaScript code at the bottom of the footer. Now if we put this, say, above the footer here, we're going to run into some issues because plugins use this right here to get the proper JavaScript code that they need to run, or they require for the plugin to run. So if we put it up above the footer, we might have some errors. The plugin might not work, or the theme might not work. So it always goes right above the body tag. All right. One other thing I want to point out is always when you're building themes is to comment where your closing tags are. I do it like this, and I'll just copy this just so you know everything's properly closed out, because if not, it will kick back an error sometimes, and it's important to know where everything closes. So I'm going to go ahead and just do this, so later on if I have some issues, I know everything's properly closed out, and that's how we do it. If you have any questions, leave a comment on YouTube, and I will be sure to help you out. In the next one, we're going to set up the WordPress loop to loop through our post. So I'll see you in the next one.